he doing?
Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the great sky race.
Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups.
Oh no! Have you ever had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before.